Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your WhatsApp not saving photos to your gallery automatically. So in that case, what you need to do is click on U at the bottom right of your screen. From over here, you want to choose storage and data. From inside storage and data, under media auto download, you can see my option called photos. It's on Wi-Fi and cellular, which means the photo which is on my WhatsApp could be downloaded both on Wi-Fi and cellular. But for video, document, audio, it's on Wi-Fi, which means unless my phone is connected to a Wi-Fi, it's not going to be downloaded. So for this, what I need to do is click on audio and choose Wi-Fi and cellular. So just like this, make sure all of this is set on Wi-Fi and cellular like this. Once you set all of this to Wi-Fi and cellular, your problem should be solved. Now you just need to close your WhatsApp and reopen it again, and your problem should be fixed. That's how you guys can fix WhatsApp not saving photos to gallery. By doing this, your problem should be fixed. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I will see you guys next time. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.